how to create a birthday song with name. So if you want to create a birthday song with name, then what you need to do is just go with your browser. Once you open up your browser, you just need to simply go with search. Under search, you need to search for one happy birthday. Tap on it, and here you will have www.onehappybirthday.com. Just go with this website. Now once you tap on it, you just need to simply find the name. So go with search, which is on the upper side. So for example, I'll be choosing a name which is Monica. Now once you've written the name, go with the magnifying icon which is on the right side and then hit the search. Now here you will have the Monica, right? So you just need to simply tap on that exact word, and here you will have the happy birthday song. You can simply tap on download song to download the song, which is the birthday song for Monica. So just go and tap on download and it will start the downloading process. And in this way, you'll be able to create a birthday song with a name. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.